The Nike Vomero Plus has quickly become one of the most talked about road running shoes of 2025, praised for its comfort, bold design, and performance-focused build. While it delivered several viral moments, including high-profile shoutouts and custom showcases, the shoe never lost sight of its main purpose for serious runners. Heading into 2026, Nike is pushing the momentum further with a playful pastel colorway set to release on January 22, 2026. This upcoming Barely Volt and Indigo Burst edition features a marbled mesh upper splashed with Barely Volt, Hot Lava, and Blue Void tones. Indigo Burst details highlight the swoosh, laces, and inner lining, while the thick, cushioned midsole arrives in Barely Green for a clean visual balance. This release is part of a larger Spring 2026 lineup that also includes other expressive Vomero styles. The Nike Vomero Plus will retail for $190 through Nike official channels.